Taper Cutting Setup. Next, we go to the setup of taper cutting. There are 4 cutting methods for taper we introduce as follows. First, vert. Aux plane remains vertical to PGM plane, which means there is no UV axis movement. Second, taper. Aux plane is oblique to PGM plane at specific degree of angle. In this case, XY-UV axis will be moving simultaneously in identical path to cut cone shape. Third, UV. XY-UV axis will be moving simultaneously but in different paths to cut 2 shapes on the top and at bottom of a workpiece. Fourth, plane. Same as 2 equals UV used for cutting 2 shapes on top and at the bottom, but in different way of program composition. The program of 2 equals to UV, in which the shape on top is consisted of innumerable points. And the lines while 3 equals to plane can use G, M code to compose it to much simplify the program and enhance the accuracy. You can select which plane program or auxiliary spacement to set any angle from -45 to 45 degree as expected. NC PGM plane Z. Generally, Z PGM plane is the distance of work table in an NC program. Usually set Z equals to 0 if there is no spacer but beneath a workpiece. Object thick I. Aux plane is referred to the height position of the workpiece. Its V value could be plus or minus, and it is used to exchange the position of PGM and aux plane. For example, in above cut mode equals to 3, it is set Z equals to 0 and I equals to 30. So UV path appears on top. If we set Z equals to 30, I equals to -30, then the path will be turned upside down. Upper guide. The height of upper nozzle, which is referred as Z3. In previous W5E system, Z3 equals to current Z-axis height plus dB. Lower guide. Identical to DA. Generally is 0, means work table plane height. If there install any spacer, for example, block gauge, then you need to set this value. Comp shift value. Additional offset added up to NC program. Operator could get quick compensation for rough or skim cut without modifying H or D in program. Taper shift value. Additional taper angle added up to NC program. Operator could get quick compensation for rough or skim cut without modifying A in program.